The consumer can choose various methods to claim their reward. They can either donate the reward, claim the reward through cash voucher, or scan the QR code to store the funds in their e-wallet. The screen will display the amount of water and cans accepted and produce the total price. After that, the consumer can choose between the three options to claim their reward. If you choose to donate, the reward will go to this organization. For the cash voucher, can be used for this organization. To scan the QR code, the user needs to install the My Recycle app in order to store the reward in the e-wallet.
This is the login page. For the first time users must register first before logging in. On the top part is the total balance in the e-wallet. The bottom part is the navigation menu of the application. The user scan the QR code displayed on the screen of vending machine. Click the confirm button to claim the reward. This app can show where vending machines are located using the map. Users can claim the funds acquired using this app to buy items.